Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I'm so excited to be back. I'm so excited to be back and film. If you didn't know, I was in vacation for three or 4 weeks, and I did miss this setup, this filming setup, and to be here and actually film and focus on filming with you guys. Yeah, I will not ramble too much about how excited I am. We will start the video, but before that, I just wanna mention a little very nice thing for you guys from me, a 15% discount on Daniel Wellington watches. If you don't know what is Daniel Wellington watches, I mean, girl, I don't know, you've been living under a rock or something, but they are the most, I think one of the most popular watches in Europe, and they're growing in Instagram hugely. They have so many different varieties of the watches. They are so classy and wearable with everything, and they are silver and gold and rose gold. They have different varieties of everything, and also they have this very nice Daniel Wellington like a bangle like bracelets. But this watch, it looks so nice, so nice. If you don't have one, I'm covering you up with 15% discount. I will leave down below all the codes. Of course, my code is Lucy Oriole, and yeah. I'm babbling too much. And yeah, let's move on with the makeup tutorial. Today I decided to create like a very, I would say, midsummer glam look. Midsummer is coming. If you don't know what is a midsummer, it's like a kind of celebration. Summer came, and kind of the sun is kind of in a position when the actual summer comes. So in my country, it's a huge thing. It's like Christmas in my country. I'm really missing out this for another 4th year, I think, this celebration, but I'm so excited to be able to make a look for you if you are celebrating this celebration, or you just wanna do something like this for another celebration or event or whatever. So this is my inspiration for midsummer night, midsummer day, whatever. Hope you enjoyed this makeup tutorial. Let me know down below what do you think, and do you know what is midsummer? Are you gonna celebrate it or no, or what's your plans for that day? And yeah, let's jump right into the video. So first I'm gonna start with my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this NYX brow pencil. I'm just gonna brush my eyebrows, and then I will just very lightly start to fill them in like I usually do. I'm just gonna go very fast through this. If you wanna see my eyebrow tutorial, I will leave the link down below. And to clean up my eyebrows, I'm gonna use this LORAC Pro Conceal Contour palette. Use this shade right here. And just clean up under the eyebrows. And also on the above the eyebrows. I'm gonna just clean. So when we're gonna put the foundation, it's gonna be easier to go around the eyebrows, and we're not gonna ruin the shape. Now I'm just gonna set my eyebrows with the Anastasia Brow Gel. Then I'm gonna prime my eyelids with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is gonna help to make the eyeshadow more pigmented, last longer, and also conceal my eyelids. Then I'm gonna take this mini Masquerades palette by Juvia's Palace. I'm gonna use this shade right here, Giza. I'm just gonna highlight my brow bone. Then I'm gonna take this shade right here, Fulani, and I'm gonna pack this color in my in my outer corner, and just right till the middle part of my eye. Pack it a little bit upwards, make like a little bit winged shape, just very lightly. Then I'm gonna take the JACLYN Hill palette, and this color right here, with a very like small blending brush, I'm just gonna blend the edges very lightly. Kind of blend it upwards and also on the inner corners. gonna pack a little bit more of that darker shade, but I'm not gonna take like a new amount on the brush. I'm just gonna use whatever was left on the brush and just lightly pack it again, and then again blend with the blending brush the edges. Then I'm gonna take this color Lasting Creamy eyeshadow from KIKO Milano in the color 07, and I'm just gonna focus it mostly on the inner corner of my eye, kind of bring it upwards, kind of like cut crease, but not all over the lid, just on the front of the eye. I'm gonna take another creamy lasting eyeshadow from KIKO. This is in the color 04. This is like more browny, bronzy color, and I'm gonna focus it more in the middle part of the eye and kind of connect the matte eyeshadow with the shimmer we just put. Just mix all together to make like a nice transition. Then I'm gonna take this color right here from the JACLYN HILL palette. Just very lightly, I'm gonna darken up the edges of this kind of cut crease. And I'm just gonna blend with that small blending brush. Then I'm gonna take this Instant Color Matte Liquid color from KIKO in the color 02. It's like a very dark brown color, and we're gonna just create like a wing. It's not very visible, but it's gonna kind of map out where we should like do the glitter wing. And I'm gonna take this heavy metal glitter from Urban Decay in the style Midnight Cowboy. I'm just gonna apply it over that brown liner we did. I'm gonna take the NYX glitter glue and this chunky kind of golden and green glitter. First I'm just gonna take that glitter glue and I'm just gonna put on that liner, just dab it. And I'm gonna dig into that glitter and I'm very lightly gonna press to the eyeliner. Then I'm just gonna put some black pencil inside the lash line. I'm gonna put some mascara. I'm gonna use the KIKO Standout Volume Mascara. And for my lashes, I'm gonna use these Vegas Nail lashes by EYELURE in the style Grand Glamour. So now we're gonna move to the face finally. I'm gonna use a primer. This is from the Body Shop Tea Tree Pore Minimiser with purifying tea tree oil. Very good for skin who has like open pores, big pores. If you have oily skin, breakouts, it has like that protection and healing effect. And of course it makes the skin really nice and smooth before the makeup. It smells like tea tree oil, I really love it. I know a lot of people don't like these earthy scents, but for me, I just love it. I feel like I'm in a spa or something. And for my foundation today, I'm gonna use the Charlotte Tilbury Light Wonder Youth Boosting Perfect Skin Foundation with SPF 15. This is in the color 6 Medium, and I'm just gonna blend it with my beauty blender. It is a very lightweight foundation, super natural. But it gives like a very nice skin finish, glowy, and it looks very natural. And it does give like a good amount of coverage, but not like a full coverage. Bring down to the neck. For my concealer today, I'm gonna use the LORAC Pro Conceal and Contour palette. I'm gonna use the second color right here. I'm gonna use the AIRSPUN COTY AIRSPUN Loose Face Powder to set my under eyes. Just gonna take like this on my beauty blender and just press it under eyes and also a side of the nose. And I'm gonna set the rest of my face also with the same powder, just by pressing it with my beauty blender. Okay, before we finish the face, I will finish my eyes, and I'm gonna take the same palette, and this shade Mali. I'm just gonna kind of blend on my lower lash line and see where we get with that color. It looks more blue than green. I'm gonna take this darker brown color from the JACLYN Hill Morphe palette and just make it more smoky on the lower lash line. Then we're gonna put some mascara. So moving on to the face, I'm gonna use the INGLOT contour powder in 505. And we're just gonna contour. Then I'm gonna take a little bit of buttered bronzer from Physicians Formula and talking like this. Just bronze up a little bit the skin. And for my highlighter, I'm gonna use the one I use lately all the time, Wet n Wild Megaglo highlighter in Precious Petals. I mean, this highlighter don't need any comments. Tip of the nose, bridge of the nose. And for my lips, I'm gonna use NYX pencil in nude pink. Just gonna make like very pinky lips today.
I scare myself, she could get menacing, frightening, find out. Sometimes I scare myself. Tweaking off that 2CB, huh?
And as my lip gloss, I'm gonna use Shine Liquid Lip Oil in Strawberry Bonbon. They're like lip glosses / lip oils, so freaking hydrating, and I love how it feels on my lips, and I like the little tint they give on my lips. Doesn't that look cute? Okie dokie, we're done with the makeup. We're just gonna put some hoops in our ears, and we're gonna be ready to go. So yeah guys, that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. I really hope you will have a super nice midsummer celebration if you do celebrate midsummer. And yeah, other than that, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you do recreate, you know what to do. Tag me here and there, you know. And yeah, let me know what's your plans for midsummer if you are celebrating, and I'll see you next time on my next video on next Sunday. Bye. Mwah.